All right, so here we have a Tesla Model 3. We're underneath the passenger side door, so this is the Puddle light. This is not a specific video just to the Model 3. These will also fit the Model S and the Model X. We're just demonstrating it on the 3. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this Puddle light out, and we're going to be replacing it with another one. This one will project the Tesla T onto the ground where the Puddle light would shine. So we'll go ahead and remove the original. We'll just take our screwdriver and pop it out. And remove our connector. And just go ahead and slide it right back in. Remove our protective lens cover. All right, so now we have this one. This is available for all 4 doors, or they come in kits of 2. So we're going to be doing the 2 front doors. So we're ready to do the other side now. All right, so now we're going to check and see what it looks like. We went ahead and blacked out the shop. All right. And there's our Tesla Puddle light.